island nation of Singapore, home to a rich biodiversity of many bird species. However, 61 of these 91 known species have gone extinct in the past 200 years. Rapid urbanization has caused the relatively quick colonization of many urbanophilic invasive species, causing the extirpation of native fauna. The Javan Mynah, Acridotherus javanicus, is one of these invaders.
One can easily spot the primarily black Javan Mynah by the distinctive white patches on its wings and tail and its bright yellow beak and feet. If not by its markings, the Javan Mynah can also be spotted picking through refuse and snatching leftovers from hawker centers. This opportunistic bird, belonging to the starling family Sternidae, likely owes its urban success to its evolutionary origins in the Indian woodlands where it adapted to tall, upright structures with little to no vegetative ground cover. From India, starlings spread across the Old World. The Javan Mynah later speciated on the island of Java and has since spread, now ranging from the islands of Indonesia to as far as eastern Pakistan. The Javan Mynah is a highly opportunistic feeder, often displaying aggressive behavior toward other species for access to food. Being an accomplished scavenger, the bird will feed on almost anything, including insects, vegetables, human food, and even waste. It is also known to be the earliest riser of surrounding birds, giving it another advantage to access food first. This leads to its great success in urban areas and its close association with human activity. These adaptations have resulted in the Javan Mynah becoming the leading pest in Singapore, having even outcompeted its cousin, the once dominant bird of Singapore, the common mynah. There are many behaviors that make the Javan Mynah such successful foragers in the urban environment. Besides their ravenous omnivory, they exhibit territorial foraging behavior. This means that they guard food and other resources from other birds and mynahs so that they might benefit from it later. Observe this example. When a large resource, in this case bread, is placed in the open, many mynahs come to stake their claim. At first, they eat the bread, but soon they start fighting each other. The fighting is quick and brutal as they try to chase each other away from the resource. This fighting seems to result in a few individuals dominating the resource. Observe how the mynahs stay close to the resource and chase away other birds who come near. Also observed how some mynahs circle the resource, as though they are waiting for their chance to claim it. It appears as though they will not give up. They are investing their time into preserving their resource-rich territory instead of foraging for alternate sources of food. This territorial foraging behavior may explain why they are more successful than other birds in urban settings. Later, when there are fewer birds, it appears as though the mynahs continue to focus their energy on guarding the food instead of eating it. Danger is always lurking, yet the mynahs still insist on guarding. This shift in focus on guarding rather than eating, again, seems to explain why they dominate in urban environments. It is because they fiercely guard their resources, presumably for future use, that they have become so successful.
What's it doing? It looks terrifying.
You want me to come over, I got an excuse. Might be holding your hand, but I'm holding it loose. Go to talk, then we choke, it's like our next enemies. Avoid the obvious, we should be facing the truth.